Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain how you will download WordPress from the WordPress site and how you will install it on your local server. I'm going to start WordPress.org. WordPress.org. Get WordPress. Download WordPress 6.4.2 and make sure that I have installed XAMPP server already in my computer. I will right click on it, extract all. Okay, I'm going to extract this file and I need to enter inside the folder WordPress and I need to copy all of these files. How many files are there? There should be 19 files including folder and files. There are 19 selected items. I'm going to copy, Ctrl C, and I will paste here C XAMPP1 HTTP 123456. I will paste here. All the files you must be copied into this folder htdoc, and I have created another folder with my ID number. Suppose my ID number is 123456. Okay, these are 19 items are there including the files and folder. Now what I will do here, just I will write here localhost and my folder name 123456. It will start the WordPress. Okay, this is WordPress setup. You just click on OK. You need to write database name, database username, database password, database host, but I did not create a database yet. What I will do, first of all, I need to create a database. What I will do, I will write here localhost and I will write php my admin. This is php my admin. You can click on new button and here you will write database name and I will write the same name of the database as I have the name in my htdoc folder name 123456. I have created a database with the name of 123456 and now here I will write database name 123456. Username is root. By default database username is root, password is empty, and localhost. The rest of all these information you can keep it as it is, and password, no password, mean blank it, leave it blank. Click on submit button, run the installation. Okay, now here you can give the site title. Suppose I have given electronics, username suppose admin, password is 12345678 or 123456 still 6. 123456, this is weak password. You can write here 123456@gmail.com or whatever you have email ID you can write here and install the WordPress. Okay, now I'm going to log in with the name of admin 123456. Now this is WordPress has been installed. Now I need to enter create a register form, edit form and the login form. For that purpose I need to go there go to plugin, install plugin, add new plugin, and this will be profile builder. Plugin name is profile builder. They have changed, they have update this plugin, that's why I am creating another video on it. Click on install now. User profile builder. This is beautiful user registration form, user profile and user role editor. Activate. I'm going to activate this. Okay. You can select only one page or all of them. The pages can also be set up later manually. Okay. What form? I need a registration form. I need login form. I need edit role, edit profile, and password reset. I need these 4 pages. These are the 4 basic pages: registration page, login page, edit profile, and password reset. Click on continue. Okay, when you will click on continue, they are asking optimize the login and registration flow for your members. They're telling if you will make it on, then automatically log user in after registration. Once you will be registered, it will be automatically log in. Okay, if you want to wish this will do like this, mean automatically login, then you can click here. Then email confirmation after registration. Okay, if you are thinking, if you are saying your user must confirm email registration, then you should make it on. Okay, but make sure that whether what your email is writing, that must be existed email. If there is no email is existing, this will not be confirmation will not be completed. Hide the admin bar for the subscriber role. No. Admin approval for the new users. Sometime you need admin approval for the new users, then you can click here. Okay. Now right now I'm selecting only automatically log user in after registration. Continue. Next step is create the user experience you need for your project. Okay. For this one, you can click on it. Continue. Continue to your profile builder dashboard. Yes. Okay, this is profile builder dashboard. Okay, and what you will do now next one is add extra field to the registration edit field. If you want, you can edit. Restrict your content based to the user role. Create new user role with editor. You can also create a new user role. Right now, what is this? You have one user and new registered user are one. Okay, now what you will do, if you want to make it a new user, we can also check it. Okay, useful shortcut for the setup. Register is there. This is registration code, login code. This is login code, edit profile code, and restricted content code is there. Okay. Okay, now I want to run my website. If I want to run my website, I will write here localhost 12345 Okay, they have already created all these pages: edit profile, login profile, password reset, register page, like that one. Okay, I'm going to login page first. Okay, they're telling me you are already logged in. I'm going to log out. Okay, now after this I want to register this page. Okay, name, username ABC, first name ABC, last name XYZ, nickname ABC, email is abc@gmail.com. This is not existing email. I'm giving just as an example. Okay, password is ABC. Repeat password is also ABC. Okay, send these credentials via email. If you have a valid email, then you can click on this option and it will send it to you. Click on register button. Okay, the account has been successfully created and this one is automatically logged in. You are currently logged in as ABCXYZ. You don't need another account logout. Okay, just I'm going to log out. Now I'm going to enter as a admin account. Admin account is admin and password is 123456. When you will click on login button, okay, then you can see this one. This is the register page. This is password reset, and this is login page. Okay, and if you will go to dashboard, you can refresh this one, and you can see all users. How many users are there? Total 2 users are there. New registered user are 2, and recent registration is with this is recent registration information. ABC first name, XYZ second name. This is registered as a subscriber role. By default, role, new user role is subscriber. Subscriber, what subscribers? Subscriber cannot do anything, just they can change only their profile only. Okay, this is admin. If you will click on view all user, they will display all the information to the user. Okay, this was my video that will explain you how you will be added on profile builder page, and plus how you can add a WordPress on local server. Thank you. Jazakallah.